Hi, my name's Andrew Nisley. I'm a real estate agent here at Equity Real Estate West. I'm a full-time agent here in Utah. Majority of my sales are in the Salt Lake area. If you're considering selling your home for sale by owner, typically the reason for doing that is you want to put the most money into your pocket. Now, there is a small majority of kind of committed DIY people who are going to sell their home no matter how much money they lose. That's just, they want to do that. And if it's because you hate realtors, I don't blame you. I work with realtors every day, so some of them aren't my favorite either. So that could be a valid reason. But if it is for money, I wanted to let you know I'm on your side. In, 2007, I actually sold a home myself for sale by owner. Getting into real estate full-time in 2016, knowing what I know now at the time, I lost about 10% of what I could sell it for, which would have definitely offset any additional hassles I went through and market direction at the time. Anyway, point is, I know you're making the best decision with the information that you have in front of you. I think a lot of us do, and that makes sense. All I'm asking you for is make a decision based on new information. So a couple things to talk about are market strategy. I've worked from very hot markets, 4 days average sales days on market. So before you can get a sign in the yard, home's already under contract, all the way up to over 120 days on market. If you have a correctly priced home, it's going to take 3 months to even find a buyer for the house. So it's going to vary depending on the market, depending on your situation, depending on the house and your goals. Not really a high pressure or a sales pitch that I have. It's just a one-on-one conversation with you, how your plans can be better and what those goals are and how to get there. Just a clear-cut, step-by-step path right up front, showing you how you can get absolute top dollar for your home. I think that's what the majority of for sale by owners and sellers I meet with, that's their ultimate goal. Love to connect with you on that, answer any questions you do have on that topic. A couple factors are the timing of the home, when you want to sell, when you want that offer, when you want to move out. How are you going to get the highest price? By finding the best 100 buyers in the market to come and see your home. Typically what we found is real buyers with real money, they have realtors. A lot of times for sale by owner can be doing everything right, but just for whatever reason, the best buyer for their home doesn't know they're out there. And also a big issue I found with for sale by owners, big complaint I've had from them is they're kind of a target on their back for those bottom feeder bargain hunter type buyers, self-proclaimed kind of cash investors, avoiding them and actually working with serious real buyers with real money. Love to connect with you, show you some of our process to make that happen for you. Thanks for the time.